ben Emma en ik ben hier ook weer om mijn haar te knippen. Ik ga mijn haar weer lang laten groeien, dus doen we de onderkant wat korter en hier gewoon een model aan, zodat het mooi weer lang kan groeien.
Emma wants to grow her hair, so she wants to get rid of her neck hairs and want to get it into a line. And she don't want to color today, maybe in springtime or in summertime next year or in whatever. And I ask her to tell you in the rest of the world. And I start with washing her. You can already see the lines that I need to do to let it grow in a nice hairstyle. Dankjewel. Okay, wash the hair. Now put on the cape. Pom, 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 pom. I will certainly cut the upper hair with a hot scissor. Start by combing the hair. Now to get a real nice shape in the hair, I have to use her natural lines. So what I decide is, I have this length. So when I take off here an ultra small part, I get a nice line. And to grow back from a short hairstyle. So you see when you cut the lines in natural lines, even this is a good hairstyle because when you blow dry this and you get it into the fall, you have a very nice shape in the hair. And it's a long time ago that I did her hair, so. Watch at the skull bone, set the hairs aside. Now I'm going to show you what I do. I can see the lines when I'm standing in the back of her. Of the front, so I need this length, but here I want to go shorter, so all the hairs lay nicely over her skull and make a nice new shape. This I'll do with a hot knife, the underline of her hair. This I will do with a hot razor, and the hot razor is of Ergo. Just watching how the hair falls and how the flow of the hair is, and gently create a nice new neckline. Take the hairs to the back. When you're going to work with a hot tool, it's better to wash the hair in front of it. Then the hair is clean, so you get also a clean cut. Shape the corners a little bit up, so get in that line, and do this on both sides. It's not that you burn the skin when you touch with a hot knife. Only thing is you have to be aware that the skin is a little bit moisty, and then you don't burn anything. Otherwise I would burn my fingers also. Now free the hair bit. Put a new line on it. Start in the center line. And lay the upper hair over the line of cutting. So now I get this guideline. Do this to the left and to the right. So get a nice new round shape. Het is mooi dat je hier alleen het mes dan hoort werken.
Ja. Je weet echt helemaal niks van de buitenwereld.
Heel weinig. Ze zijn hier op de gang wel aan het werken. En dat zijn ze in dat hok bezig.
Oh ja.
Ik denk in de toekomst voor fabrikanten om hier workshops te geven is echt geweldig.
Ja.
Gewoon omdat je gewoon helemaal de afleiding helemaal niet hebt. Part the hair till I get above the ear. And on the center of the skull. This I need to get the rounding. And now you can see that already the lines connecting to the back. Because when I lay the hairs off the front on the line, I get the same length. So then I'm certain that I have a nice strong line and she can grow back very nice. So I'll make an appointment around Christmas. Dat zou wel zeggen. Maar het zou kunnen.
Ja.
Ik heb al afspraken staan voor kerst.
Zo.
Ik denk dat mijn halve agenda vol staat.
Gaat het snel wel?
Ja, dat is snel. Again, pulling the hairs to the center line. So now I have a base of nice, strong bob line. So now I can go to my hot scissor.
Stofzuigen. Ja. Het was er één op de grond. Kon maar zo.
Oh ja, dat is ook gaaf. Come to the upper hair, knowing that not too much has to come off. Pull the hairs up. Take only the dry ends. Now she has a lot of hair. It's very thick. And make a nice circle around her head. Take up in a moon shape. And every time parting on the line of cutting, take the half of the line of the part and then cut it. So I have always a guideline. Going to the other side. Pull the hairs up again. Lay them back, half in the line. I'll show you that. Part half in the line of cutting. Pull it up. See my guideline. Take my fingers to the guideline. Lay them back. Take a half part. See the guideline again. And so I circle around the head. Het is wel een aparte les zo, hè?
Zeker.
Now go to the line of cutting again. And from the upper hair, I take all the hairs on the line I made. And just lay them in a wonderful bob line. Putting them in a moon shape again. Lay them in the rounding. Now I show you how nice this bob line folds, because now I get the real shape of a skull, nicely turning in, get a wonderful curve, soften the neckline afterwards. But no, this is the line I've been working on. Now the only thing is to go to the front. And take off the small ends. And then I'm certain I've cut all the lengths. And then I start thinking about cutting with a hot scissors also, that it doesn't irritate her skin at all, because the ends are sealed and they are wonderful soft. So it gives a more sexy feeling, but also better touch with the skin. So now I can blow dry her hair. Yeah. Because she has very thick hair, I use a smooth of Lakme as a styling product. It nurses the hair, gives a nice balance to the moist. Start blow drying in the neckline. And working my way to the front. So far blow drying, and now you see it's a wonderful classic bob, because all the lines are now soft and round. So it's very strong, feminine, but a bit old-fashioned hairstyle. But that you can change with styling, that can change with styling products. Now I just have to clean the contour line, holding it nice soft, so don't make a hard line in it. Using only the tip of my clipper. First clip the neckline, and then put the cape on again, and put in some styling product. I always work with the cape, never do without. To style the hair I use two products. I use a pomade and I use a clay product. And with this, I roughen up the hairstyle a bit. Because I love classic lines, but I think she is still too young for it. And I also can show you how wonderful thick her hair is, because she has lovely thick hair. And she can wear it every style she wants. She can take it to the center, can go to the left, go over the middle, by parting it. So it's a very easy hairstyle to grow the hair and to get into a longer hairstyle. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Eén schaap geschoren. Okay, Emma, you must show your hairstyle to the world by turning around. And thank you for being my model. Wavy hair.
Yes.
See each other around Christmas?
I hope so.
Certainly. I will be there, even when I'm an air person, sky high. No, I will be there with Christmas, and we make a Christmas hairstyle. Thank you for modeling. Hello, I'm the hairdresser for